Good morning, YouTube.
Oh shit.
How's it going this morning?
Going, homeless people. What's up?
Another rainy day in Walla Walla. And this douchebag right here is Oompa Loompa.
Doopity-doo. I will flatten your tires if you mess with me.
Yes, this is going live, or it ain't live, but it's recording, so you're gonna.
You might want to watch it. You might trip on a puddle. Ow! I deserve that.
She did fall on a blade of grass yesterday.
What?
Grass was wet and it was slippery. It had no idea of me being high. So I can walk when I'm fucking high. So fuck off.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm the kid for the fucking group, but I can fucking walk, so fuck off. Fuck the hell off.
Maybe later. No. This is something me and Michelle had going.
What?
An old pregnant.
Hey, look, it's a concrete place.
Hey, play with some rocks.
We can always go down the railroad tracks.
Yeah, we could.
But fuck this wet weather. We're heading for somewhere warm. Well, it's a train
and
car.
Never knew you were fascinated by a train.
Hey, there goes the bus.
This is not the type of... I understand the terms of getting...
Wait for me, bus.
Wait! We need you! Don't look at that to me when you're getting on the short bus because I missed the long bus
Yeah,
to school. My uncle's like,
Why don't you record yourself?
I did. When I turned
No,
it
I
around.
mean... like doing the fucking Dippin' Dots and shit.
I will eventually.
Yes!
Oh, there's Steven. Steve fucking cussing and hollering.
On another rampage. But
Different
that's an,
day, different rampage.
You're right.
but that's every day at the camp. It's each a different fucking...
It's usually only when he's drunk.
Or smoking something.
Yeah.
By the way, Papa was like, I wish I had some drugs. And I was like, yeah, me too. He's
Wait.
like, wrong kind of drugs.
Yeah.
I said, oh. He's like, maybe I should specify the kind I do.
Right.
I was like, yeah. I kind of wish I had some of that too. Sometimes.
We're all just talking about random shit.
That's how we are.
Today's subject is
We're
crack.
randomness.
Are we gonna find a crack pipe in the fucking bathroom? Are we gonna find it in the fucking street?
We're gonna find the crack pipe in this lab.
Crack pipe, lead pipe.
The wonderful city of Walla Walla. Everybody.
Another day in fucking paradise.
It's fucking wet and rainy. Sucks. No place dry to hang out. So, we're gonna do what we do. Nothing.
A man's yard sale. Doesn't look very manly.
We're heading to the soup kitchen over on 12th or 11th, whichever one it is. I can't remember.
They don't really serve soup there though.
You're right.
They call it a soup kitchen, but they serve like chicken, pizza, and shit like that. How's it a soup kitchen? I guess it's because it helps the needy people.
Yes. And you look pretty needy.
Yes, I am needy. I'm proud of it.
Where's she going? Oh.
That's my Crowder level, I don't know. I'm good. You look over and you're taking off across the street.
Yeah. There she is, walking down the street. Can't cross.
Singing do-wop, diddy-do, dum diddy-do.
Oh, and I got the finger again. That's a normal thing for this channel.
A lot.
A lot.
That's a normal thing coming from her.
Anyone home?
Open up!
Oh, Katie.
Right turn, Clyde.
Right turn.
Sorry if I hurt anybody's ears. That was a loud fucking whistle. Oh, puddle.
Oh, there's Ronnie. That's who I was looking for.
Hey.
It's a Ronnie. Oh, watch out.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you guys can smoke up there if you want, though, probably. I fucking hate this church.